Best Way Auto Upholstery presents Mercedes Benz G-Class Interior Shop in Los Angeles. Our upholstery shop is specialized on Mercedes Benz interiors, which include G-Class models. We do from a minor seat repair to complete custom interior. Everyone loves Mercedes Benz G500, and it makes sense to invest into its interior to keep in good condition. Also, we offer steering wheel reupholstery services. Problems with seat belts? We can fix that. Want to upgrade to red sport safety belts? No problem, we can do that for you. Partial or complete leather seats repair services are also available. Save your money on partial seat upholstery repair. In this example, we've restored steering wheel upholstery and armrest, 2 front seats. We do full custom interiors with upgrading stereo systems. We can fix your door panels or even make it high-end diamond-style leather stitches. We've done custom soft tops for G500 and would be happy to do that for you. Professional Mercedes Benz G-wagon interior services in Los Angeles. Call us today 323-304-8526.